These videos are brought to you by His Vessel Academy. Check us out at hisvesselacademy.com.
So here I put a parabola. Here's my equation. I put my parabola, I graphed my parabola. I want to talk about a couple things with this second trace. I can put a value in here, which means that it's going to ask me a value of x. So say I want to know the value of x when x is 6. It's going to tell me that y is 139. So I can put any value for x in there. If I go back over there and I hit 0, it's actually going to give me where it's going to cross the x-axis. So I do need to make sure I hit my left and my right bounds. So we're going to make sure you're hitting your, kind of look for your spider. Sometimes it disappears off to the left bound a little bit. Oh, looks like I went too far to the right. So we're just going to come over here. A good rule of thumb is kind of watch your x-axes. Okay, you can kind of see that we're looking for it here. And now you see the spider, he just went by and he's going to come over here. So we do want him in the negative section. When you want the left bound for this side of the parabola, I do want to be above the actual parabola or the x-axis. And then for my right bound, I want to be below the x-axis. This shows me that I want to be in between. I can clearly see my point of intersection is between my two arrows. And you can see here it's telling me it's negative 2.63 something. And there's my 0, which I should expect. Now, if I want it again, I'm going to hit second trace again, and I'm going to hit 0 again. But you'll notice my spider is now clearly over there. I want him below the x-axis, but on this side. So we're going to hit there. And I want it above the x-axis. Oops, that's where I want it. Right bound. Nope, I want my right bound. So I want it above the right bound. The right bound is going to be the opposite side. So keep in mind it's the right side of the screen. So I'm going to hit there. And it's going to give me an idea. See, there's my little points. I know it's going to be between it because I went below and above. And it's going to give me at 0.63 something. Now, if for some reason you had picked the wrong boundary, I want to make sure we kind of pit this really fast. When you're here hitting the 0, if for some reason, say you by accidentally get above, you hit enter for your left, and then you hit above and you get enter for your right, you're going to notice that it doesn't give me anything. It gives me an error message. So when that happens, it means you didn't cross the x-axis. In other words, you've got to cross over that x-axis in order to actually get the actual answer. So I can come back in here. I'm going to hit quit again. Oops, second mode. And go back in and I can see my graphing here. So that is the best way to do it. And hopefully that helps. Give me a thumbs up if you like it.
At His Vessel Academy, we offer live interactive classes as well as some self-paced courses. Visit hisvesselacademy.com for more information and register today.